Okay, so we are doing carbon and compounds chapter. In that the hydrocarbons part we have started. In hydrocarbons, open chain compounds. Inside open chain compounds, we have started with the saturated. We have completed. That is the saturated hydrocarbons with open chain is alkanes. We have done alkanes, the saturated hydrocarbons with carbon-carbon single bond. General form we have seen CnH2n plus 2, and few members of this series we have seen. This is a one series of compounds, group of compounds, that means series of compounds. So it starts with one carbon atom, then two, then three. It will keep on continuing till hundreds also are present. We have to see till six only, you need to know. So hexane part you have to remember, you should know the structures of hexane, and if the diagram is given to you, structural formula is given to you, you have to name it. So for naming part, you have to see first thing is how many carbon atoms and what is the bond between them. So that is whether it is a single bond, double bond, or triple bond, that you have to check it. So here everywhere you can see there is a all carbon are connected with single bond. So single bond, that means it is a single dash you can see in between the carbon atom. So that is single electron sharing. So every carbon atom shares one electron with each other. So that is the alkenes. Now alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons, that is further addition of hydrogens are possible in this compound. So therefore it is called as unsaturated, and it is alkene because it has double bond between the carbon atom. So in between any carbon atom, if there is a double bond in the chain, straight chain compounds, in that if there is a double bond between any carbon atom, then it is called as alkenes. These are called alkenes. So alkenes also, few members of alkenes we have already seen. So, and it starts with ethene, two carbon atoms, because there is a double bond is needed. With single carbon atom, double bond is not possible in the compound. So therefore there should be two carbon atoms. So the first member of alkene series starts with the two carbon atoms, that is ethene, and name is ethene, and it will continue. So you need to remember the first two members at least of every sequence. There are totally, you have to learn 8 series. 8 series you have to remember, you should know. Out of that, just we have completed 2, till 5 more are there. So this is
it necessary to learn condensed formula?
Yeah, you have to, because equations, when you are writing the equations, chemical equations, we are writing the compounds in this condensed formula.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can derive the condensed formula from the diagram, right?
Yeah, from this diagram you can remember. And after that, after when you are very much good, right now you just started, so therefore it is confusing for you. When we will go to further we are continuing. It is, then you will feel that is this formula is only easier as compared to this formula. I will show you. Don't be this is scared of that one. Don't worry. Slowly you will be much more aware of this. Condensed formula is much easier as compared to the structural formula. Okay, so I will explain you one. Now third one is, so first is, suppose let's recall again all these compounds. Alkenes. Alkenes with all carbon single bond, so only one carbon atom. Now how many electrons left out? How many electrons it has? One carbon, that means it has 4 electrons. 4 electrons are shared with
Hydrogen.
hydrogen. So CH4 will come, right? When we write it together. Second one, now 2 carbon atoms. Cc will come, 2 carbon atoms, single bonded because it is alkane. Now how many this carbon atoms is how many electrons left?
3.
3. So 3 electrons should be shared with
Hydrogen.
And this carbon?
3.
3.
3. Done?
Yes.
Third one. Third member is with 3 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. Right? Now this carbon atom, how many electrons left?
3.
3. So 3 are shared with hydrogen, H3. This carbon atom, how many are already shared?
2.
2. How many left?
2.
2.
2. This carbon atom, how many electrons shared?
1.
1.
Left out?
3.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is CH3 and HC3 the same?
Yes, same.
H3C.
That's same. That's not a problem. Because you are only showing between the carbon and hydrogen, you are not opening fully. You have only opened the structure of carbon binding. Hydrogen you have not opened, but you know that is 3 hydrogens are connected to that. So you write it before or you write it after, that doesn't matter.
Ma'am, so CH3 and H3C, will the name remain same?
Same, yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, what is it?
What?
CH3.
CH3 is methyl. Confusing me more. Slowly, slowly you will learn it. CH3 is one hydrogen atom lesser than the alkane. That is called as alkyl group. That will come further. Wait, slowly, slowly we'll
Alkyl
go.
group, ma'am.
Alkyl,
Okay.
methyl, ethyl, propyl. Okay, that will come afterwards. I will explain you that afterwards. Don't
Ma'am,
get
but it's
confused till
single
now.
bond, right?
Yeah, single bond, all single bonds. But one
Ma'am,
hydrogen less. One electron is not binded.
Okay, ma'am.
One hydrogen less, so one electron free. Okay, now next compound. Fourth compound is 4 carbon atom. 4 carbon atom. This carbon, 1 electron shared, so left out 3. H3. This carbon atom, how many electrons are shared?
2.
2. So left out how many?
2.
2. So 2 are shared with hydrogen. So H2. This carbon atom, 2 are shared. How many left out?
2.
This carbon atom, 1 is shared. How many left out?
3.
Done. Next, 5 carbon atom. 5. This carbon atom, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3. So always remember at the end carbon atoms are 3 hydrogens. In between everyone has 2 hydrogens. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Naming part, 1 carbon atom, and it is alkane, ANE. ANE is a suffix used for alkanes. So it is 1 carbon atom. Meth is the parent name, and then ANE. Here there are 2 carbon atoms. So parent name is
Eth.
eth, and alkane, so it is ANE. This is
Prop.
prop, ANE, propane. 4 carbon atoms,
Bute.
bute,
Bute. Okay, right.
bute, then ANE, and after that pent. ANE, pentane. Further,
Hexane.
CH3, CH2, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
It is hexane. Clear? Alkanes?
Ma'am,
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
it for 7?
Heptane.
Ma'am, is it hept or sept?
Older sept, new hept.
Okay.
Ma'am, so if we write hept or sept, we'll get marks.
Both
right?
are right here. Octane, nonane, decane.
Ma'am, I remember the months of the year from these. Like October, November, December.
The same thing, it came from the same only. They have derived from the same thing. But there is no meaning of that. Non means 9, but what is November means?
I'm like, no.
It's
is
11th
there, so-
month. Yeah, no is there.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so there is no actually relation, but yes, you can. Now here, alkane, then alkenes. Alkene will start with First compound starts with
H.
2 carbon atoms. Structure first. 2 carbon atoms with double bond, right? Now this carbon, 2 electrons are shared. So how many electrons left?
2.
2.
2.
Two.
So H2. This also 2 done. So 2 left. Double. Clear? First draw the carbon structure and then remaining electrons shared with hydrogen. Now here 3 carbon atoms. So 1, 2, 3. Then double bond anywhere. I will connect double bond here. Now check the remaining electrons. This carbon atom, 1 electron is shared. How many left out?
3.
3. So 3 done. This carbon atom, 1, 2 and 3. 3 done. How many left?
1,
1.
Right here. This carbon atom, how many done?
2,
2.
2. Left out?
2.
2. So 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Then 3 carbon atom. So third compound is a 4 carbon atom. So first draw the single structure. And now anywhere they give a double bond because it is alkene. So anywhere you can give the double bond. If I will give it here. Then check the number of left out electrons shared with hydrogen. So this carbon atom 1 is shared. So 3 are left. So CH3. This carbon atom 1, 2, 3. 3 already done. Only 1 left out. So H. This carbon atom 1, 2, 3. So this is 1. And then with this carbon atom 1 is shared. So left out 3. So it is 3. Clear? Now in the same case, I can connect double bond here also. Then here I will keep a double bond. Then what will happen? These 2 electrons are shared. 2 left out. So it is 2. This carbon atom 3 are shared. So only 1 left out. 1. This carbon atom 2 are shared. So it is left 2. This carbon atom 1 electron shared. 3 left out. So what are the names of these two? These two are the same compounds with the same carbon atoms, but the compound name is different somewhat. What is that? It depends on its
Where the double
position
bond.
of the double bond. So position of the double bond is first, second, after second, from this side or from this side. So therefore it is,
2
2
butane.
butane.
it can be written as 2-butene 1, or it is also written as but-2-ene. Generally we use this. This is only when there is a double bond, no any functional group is present. So that time it can work out, but most of the time it won't happen. Along with this, there is some other branched structures are also available. So that time it is confusing. So therefore that time we are using this. So try using this only.
Ma'am, which one? First or second?
This one.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't use this because this is not works everywhere. Because if along with this there is any other branched structure is there or any functional group is there, then we can't use this. The number will come for that compounds, that extra compounds which have been added. And this one is this
Butane.
double bond, it is after first. So therefore, but-1-ene.
Now 1.
Ma'am, how 1? It should be 3, no?
Double bond closer to which end?
The right end.
Okay,
This
ma'am.
is, so numbering will start from that end.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Okay.
numbering of the carbon starts from the end which is closer to the whichever the end. Double bond is closer to that end.
Ma'am, if it's in the middle, then?
Anywhere you can start, just like here it was a middle. So I can start after this also it is 2 and after this also it is 2. The name won't change.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, so the max is but-2-ene. Okay.
Then for 5 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like give some space because hydrogen we have to add here. So therefore you have to write the space between them. Now anywhere double bond. Now double bond will come here, here. Yeah, only either this or this. Here it won't come because it is this one and this one is same structure. So if I will keep it here, then remaining hydrogen, how many will be there? 1 second. Prisha, can you tell me how many hydrogens will be here at this carbon atom?
Ma'am, 2,
2. Here,
1,
1. Here,
2,
2. This place,
2,
this place.
3.
Good. And what is the name?
Uh,
How many carbon atoms? Parent name is?
mm,
How
is
many
it
carbon atoms are there?
5?
5. So what is the parent name?
Penti.
Pent. Now E and E we have to apply, but we have to show the position of that double bond. So where is the position? What?
Pent 1
Yes, right. And now same thing, I will connect now 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I will connect double bond here. Then Nivedya, can you tell how many number of hydrogen atoms to this one? Last one?
3.
3. Okay. Here?
1.
1. This one?
1.
1. This one?
2.
2. This one?
3.
3. Very good. What's the name?
Pent. Pentuene.
Very good. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There are also 2 only structures.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I have a doubt. For the first case, you said we cannot put double bond somewhere, right? Where is it, ma'am?
What?
Ma'am, for the first one,
Which one? This
sorry,
one. Here.
ma'am, no, not that. The fourth one, first one.
First part. Yeah.
Ma'am, you said that we cannot connect the double bond somewhere, right?
No, here is there. If you connect here, that means that structure and this structure is same. So no need to do that. If you connect at this position, second position, after second carbon atom from the left end, and I have connected from the right end, then also it is double. So it is same. Structure will remain same. Anywhere you can do it, but there are only 2 structures will be possible. If you make this double bond, I have drawn on the right hand side. If you make the same thing at left hand side, though there is no change in the compound, because in that case also the counting will start from this end. Then also it will become 1 pent 1 in.
Okay, ma'am.
So there is no difference. Clear structures?
Yes, ma'am.
Now starting for alkynes. Alkynes. So alkyne is the unsaturated hydrocarbons with triple bond. Unsaturated hydrocarbons with carbon-carbon triple bond. So C, triple bond C. First compound of this series, general formula. We will make it general formula. Okay, so first compound.
Ma'am, suffix will be Y and E, right?
Yeah, suffix is Y and E. Give me a second. Pen strap lagging. Yeah, here. So it is triple bond is needed. So it will start with 2 carbon atoms. It can start with 1 carbon atom. 3 bonds. Now this carbon atom, 3 are connected. So how many left out?
1.
1 only. So 1 is connected here. Here also 1 left out. It is connected to here. So molecular formula is C2H2. Condensed formula HC triple bond CH. And its name is eth is the parent name, YNE is the suffix for alkyne. Then 3 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms with somewhere triple bond, either here or here, both are same. Now this carbon atom, 1 electron is shared, so 3 are left out. 1, 2, 3. This carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4 already done, so no hydrogen is required. Now this carbon atom 3 are there, so left out 1. You can connect here or here, anywhere. Formula is C3H. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. Condensed formula H3C, single bond C, triple bond CH. Name is 3 carbon atom, so prop YNE, propine. We call it as propine, ethyne. And now third one is with 4 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. This somewhere triple bond. Here the C, 3 carbons, 3 electrons left out, which are shared with hydrogen. This carbon atom, 2 are already shared, so 2 are left out. Those are with hydrogen. This carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 already done. So this carbon atom 3 are there, so left out 1. Formula C4H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. H6. Structural condensed formula H3C CH2 C triple bond CH. What is the name?
Butane.
Butane.
Ma'am, so there's no general formula for
But it
this.
is, yes, one also again there. Here there is a possibility of 2 positional isomers. So but 1 YNE. And if you connect this triple bond here, then there is a second structure. So make it that also. But 2 YNE. Butane 2. So write down these first. You have written the earlier one?
No, ma'am.
You write down.
And which ones?
This one.
Oh, these, okay.
Alkanes and alkanes condensed formula.
Ma'am, why do you think CH3C and not CH3?
What?
Why do you write it H3H2CH3C, not CH3?
Just now I've explained, I think, in the beginning.
I came late, ma'am.
Very good. Every time you people have a reason, no? I came late, my internet was not working, your voice was breaking. There is no change in doing that. It will remain same. You are only showing the how many hydrogens are connected to carbon. So you connect it first or after, doesn't matter.
Ma'am, so we are not yet confirmed what 10% of this chapter is coming, right?
It is all homologous series, you learn it better. That is what the further 8 these series are there, no? So you learn it. Equations are not there, the sure shot the equations are not there.
Ma'am, so
This
far
part-
this chapter has been easy.
Yeah, it's easy actually. It is interesting. And because of the interest, it becomes easier.
Yes, ma'am.
I love this chapter actually to explain also.
Ma'am, it's fun to see how many like forms and structures just one formula can take.
I'm feeling happy because of the words. Like I'm feeling like as we're playing with the words over here, like A and I and everything.
Many more are coming. Still 5 more are coming. They're also much more fun. Yeah.
Should we draw for heptane, octane, and all this?
No, not needed. Only I told the name. Same thing, it will keep on only CH2 anywhere in between the CH2 increase.
Hmm.
One CH2 will keep on increasing.
I'm done.
There is one more fun is there. So see the all some this one formulas. Sequence, consecutive, successive compound formula. Is there, how much is the difference between first and second? Methane and ethane. What is the difference in the molecular formula? So how many carbon and how many hydrogens?
In the first one, there's 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen.
So second one has
2 carbon, 6 hydrogen.
6 hydrogen. So how much is increment? Increment of
2 extra.
how many carbons?
1 extra.
1 carbon extra, and how many hydrogens extra?
2.
2.
2, right? Then second and third. So here to here, how much change? CH2. Now here to here, how much is the change? How many carbon atoms increased?
1.
1.
1. How many hydrogens increased?
2.
2. Here to here,
Same. CH2.
how much change?
CH2.
CH2. How much change?
CH2.
CH2. Check here in this case. From ethene, this is ethene. This is propene. How much is the change?
Again, same, ma'am.
CH2.
CH2.
CH2 everything.
CH3, right?
How many hydrogens are there? 4 hydrogen. 3,
Yeah.
4, 5, 6. 3,
Ma'am, CH.
4 and 6, no? CH is here. 3,
Oh, okay.
4, 5, 6. Here it is 4. CH2. Now here to here. 1 carbon extra. How many hydrogens extra? These are here 6 hydrogen atoms. Here again 3, 4, 5,
8.
5, 3, 8. So again difference is of 2. Now this is already a butene only. Here to here. 1 carbon extra because it is bute and this is bent. That means 5 carbon atoms. So 1 carbon extra. How many hydrogens? Here are 8 hydrogens. Here how many are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
10.
8, 9, 10. 10 are there. So difference is 2.
2.
CH2. Right? Here to here. Or you can see here, it's a molecular formula.
Again, CH2.
1 carbon, 2 hydrogen. Here
CH2.
also 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen. So these are the series of compounds in which every successive molecular formula differ by CH2. Everywhere, all the molecular formulas of all groups. So these groups are called as homologous series.
Today I'm
Ma'am,
actually
Yeah. Yes.
girls first.
thanks. Ma'am, how many series are there in the homologous series?
Class 9th, class right now 10th you are learning only 8. 8 you are learning. There are many more.
Oh my God, okay.
Right now we are learning 8. Yeah.
Ma'am, you should write alkyne now.
Yeah, alkyne you have to write down after if you have finished that part.
Ma'am, can you show the definition?
Which one?
Definition.
Here only.
Now what's the general formula for this?
General formula, yeah. it is two carbon, and then hydrogens are 2. That is 3, and here it is 4. So can you make the structure? This is 4, and this is 6. 2 twos are,
4.
and this is minus 2. 3 twos are
6.
6.
6 minus 2. 4 twos are
8.
8.
8 minus 2.
Ma'am,
Cn, 1 second. 2n minus 2. CnH2n minus 2. Now that is also comparison. Remember alkane CnH2n plus 2. Alkenes CnH2n and alkyne CnH2n minus 2. Okay, so here 2 less. Here to here difference is 2 less. Here to here difference is 2 more less. So by comparison, remember. Due to double bond, 2 hydrogens decreased. Due to triple bond, again 2 hydrogens decreased. Yeah, now ask me. Someone is asking doubt.
ma'am, I was asking.
Yeah.
Ma'am, should we write the CH2 also in the middle?
Right now, no, leave it.
Okay.
But I will explain the homologous series definition at that time.
Ma'am, right now these are the homologous series, right?
Right now, yes, alkene, alkanes, alkene, and alkyne. These are homologous series right now. Third one with 4 carbon atoms, you can show 1, 2, 3, 4. In the triple bond, I will connect to the second carbon atom. Then 3 electrons left out. Here already done, already done. Here 3 electrons left out. This is also C4H6. Only the condensed formula changes. CH3, C, triple bond C, CH3. Name is, what is the name?
Ma'am, butene.
Butene. Draw for pent 1 ine and pent 2 ine.
Which one we should draw?
Pent 1 ine and pent 2 ine. Pentine.
Okay.
1 and 2 pentine.
Ma'am, we can put the triple bond either on the right end or the
Right
left.
and left, doesn't matter. But only write the proper position. 1 or 2. They won't ask whether it is from right side or whether it is from left side.
Got it, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm done.
Good. Deep, wait, have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am?
only pent 1 or pent 1 and pent 2?
Both. 1 and 2 both. Done? Alkyne all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
overhead.
I'll only draw the condensed formula. Condensed formula, 5 carbon atoms. 1 in time, so it is 1. Then here 3 done, 1 left out. 4 already done, 2, 2, and 3. This is pentine 1. Next one is second one. 1, 2, 3. Second. H3, done. H2, H3. Okay, done this one. So these are all we have seen the hydrocarbons. These are all hydrocarbons. Now here cyclic, these are all open chain compounds, straight chain, open chain compounds. Now you have to see the structure of cyclic compounds as well. Cyclic hydrocarbons. These are also divided into saturated and unsaturated. Saturated, cyclic, that means ring structures. I have already initially only I told you the bifurcations. So hydrocarbons are divided into open chain and cyclic. Open chain has saturated and unsaturated, we have seen. Now cyclic hydrocarbons, saturated and unsaturated. So saturated here, carbon-carbon, single bond. That's the same thing is in both the cases. And here double or triple bond. We are not learning this in more in detail. So it is carbon-carbon double or carbon-carbon triple bond. These are very few compounds of cyclic hydrocarbons are present. You have to learn only the few structures of these, which is actually not explained in your textbook also. So in this one, we are learning the compounds called as cycloalkanes. Saturated cyclic hydrocarbons are called as cycloalkanes. So first structure of cycloalkane is we have to connect the circle, means we have to make a ring. We have to closed structure we have to make. So closed structures can start with how many carbon atoms? So how many carbon atoms are necessary for making one full closed polygon? With one possible?
5?
No.
Ma'am, 3.
2. Closed structure with 2 possible?
No.
No.
No. With 3?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, it is possible. Triangle, because that's the reason polygon starts with triangle, 3-sided. So same thing here also, it will start with 3. So 1, 2, 3. Like this possible connections.
Yes, ma'am.
So now this carbon atom, how many electrons are shared? 2. How many left out?
2.
2. So 2 are connected with hydrogen. This carbon atom, 2 electrons are shared with this and this carbon atom. So left out 2 are 2 hydrogen atoms. This carbon atom also 2 connected, 2 left out. Hydrogen. So this is C3H6. And the name is cyclo. And how many carbon atoms? Cyclopropane.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, for the topmost carbon atom, can we connect the hydrogens in straight line?
Anywhere you can connect it. That's not a problem. You only show the electrons are shared.
Okay,
We are not showing it a proper structure.
Now we make the new heading as cycloalkane, right?
Sorry, you have to make it 1 second. Oh, I will show you and then after that you write down. This is one. The second member is with 4 carbon atoms. This is with 3 carbon atoms. Now with 4 carbon atoms. So 4 carbon atoms, it will become a quadrilateral. They connected. Now the bonding, remaining electrons. So this carbon 2 are binded. So 2 left out. 2 hydrogen. 2 hydrogens. 2 hydrogen. So the formula is C4H8 and it is called as cyclobutane. Because 4 carbon atom, it is butane and it is alkane, so therefore it is butane. And cycle, but it is written cyclo. So cyclo, so that it is a cyclic order. With 5 carbon atom, what it will become?
cyclopentane.
Cyclopentane, pentagon structure. And 2 hydrogens for each. C5H10. Cyclopentane. Then draw cyclohexane also after this. So write down this part.
Ma'am, can you scroll it down?
Now after this we should draw cyclohexane, right?
Yes, you have to do cyclohexane.
Now could you scroll down?
I'm done.
Done, ma'am.
Cyclohexane done.
Yes, ma'am.
So hexagon you have to show, and for all carbon atoms to 2 hydrogens. Everyone completed? Navneet, Nakshatra,
Yes, ma'am.
completed? And for unsaturated, you are learning only one compound. Unsaturated cyclic, only one compound. That is benzene. These are also called aromatic because they have some special smell, odor. And that odor, if you can, that is coal tar, bitumen. Have you took the smell of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, tar, you mean the newly made road?
Yeah,
Yes.
It smells so good.
so good.
Ma'am, I like it.
Naphthalene balls,
Oh, they smell so bad.
and they are called aromatic. Formula for benzene is C6H6. Here, benzene structure is 6 hydrogen atoms, 6 carbon atoms connected by making a ring. Okay, and then alternate double bond. If I'll start from here, leave this one, leave this one. Now this carbon atom, 3 electrons are already shared, so 1 left out, so 1 hydrogen. This carbon atom, 3 connected, so it is 1 hydrogen. 3 connected, left 1, 1. So this is the structure of benzene C6H6.
But we are not supposed to more than one double bond, right?
Cyclic it is. Due to
Oh,
cyclic
cyclic.
possible.
Okay, ma'am.
For lesser number of carbon atoms in a straight chain, for lesser number of carbon atoms, double bond is not so strong. But with larger, longer chain, possible.
Ma'am, today I'm actually feeling like I'm learning chemistry.
This is somewhat different from your chemical equations. That's the reason.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
better than learning chemical equations.
Yes, very much.
And when the chemical equation of this chapter will come that time,
Ma'am, that's
all
that
the
time. We'll see what to
spikes,
do that time.
all the spikes will raise.
No, like these are pretty much easier to learn also.
Understanding is needed. If you understood everything, right? Understanding makes much more sense. Okay, done. This such done. Benzene.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now these are hydrocarbons we have learned. Now further we have to learn derivative of hydrocarbon. So what is derivative of hydrocarbon? That is those compounds which are derived from hydrocarbons by substituting hydrogen with some other compounds, some other atoms or more than one atoms. This means the hydrocarbons derived from the compounds which are derived from hydrocarbons. That means from the hydrocarbons, if one hydrogen can be replaced by one any other atom or maybe more than one atoms, that is a group of atoms. When you specific group of atom substitutes hydrogen from the alkanes, then the different types of compounds are formed. So those we call as derivative of hydrocarbons. In that we and those group of atoms, one single atom or group of atom which substitutes hydrogen from alkanes are called as functional groups. Functional groups are the atoms, or one single atom or group of atoms which substitute hydrogen from alkanes. Or alkenes it is. Right now you are only learning alkane only itself. Basically you are learning only from the alkanes. One hydrogen is replaced by any other atom or maybe the group of atom. Now that group of atom or an atom which is substituting the hydrogen are called as functional groups. So in this chapter we are learning 5 functional groups. Functional groups. It is an atom or group of atoms substitute hydrogen of hydrocarbon and decides chemical properties of the series of compounds. Are called functional group. So one by one we have to see 5 functional groups. So first functional group, hydrogen is replaced by OH group. Dash OH, because this dash is connected with the carbon or any other carbon atom. So dash OH. OH is a functional group. And this group, name of the group is alcohol. All alcohols are prepared when hydrogen of alkanes are replaced by OH group. OH is not ionic bonded. Here OH is shared electrons, is a shared pair of electrons. Oxygen's 1 electron is shared with carbon and 1 electron is shared with hydrogen. It is a sharing of electrons. Don't get confused. OH means OH minus of acid basis. No, it is shared electron. So this is either here carbon is present. How many number of carbons are present there? Okay. This is one alcohol. Second one is dash CHO. CHO. The binding between them is C double bond O at the last and one single bond H, and this is below, before it can be any number of carbon atoms. So this is the group of compound which connects to the carbon atoms, other carbon chains. Hydrogen is replaced with this. Then this name of this group is called aldehyde. Name of this functional group when it is connected, that's a group of compounds, is called as aldehydes. Homologous series name is aldehyde. Homologous series name where the hydrogen is replaced with OH is called as alcohol. Third one is C double bond O. Name of this compound is ketone. Fourth one is C double bond O, single bond OH. It is called carboxylic acid. And the fifth one is here halogen is connected. So either chlorine or bromine or fluorine or iodine is connected. So these are called halogens. So therefore name of the compounds is haloalkanes. So these are the 5 functional groups we have to learn in this chapter. So one by one, right now you can't understand anything, but when I will explain you the structures of these all compounds, group of compounds, then you will understood. So write down the definition of functional group and this type functional groups, 5 functional groups. One by one, I will keep on explaining. We have to see all the group of compounds.
Ma'am, can you show the fifth one?
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So one by one, we will start now. Alcohol. Functional group is OH. Dash OH. The naming part I will explain afterwards. Now here alkene. From that, one hydrogen is substituted with dash OH part. So first compound is methane. Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. This H is substituted with OH. Then the molecular formula CH3OH. Then second compound with ethane. Ethane is one hydrogen is substituted with OH. Anywhere you can substitute that, not a problem. That is, you have to substitute only here. You can, any of the hydrogen, 6 hydrogen, one of them you can substitute with OH. Remaining all hydrogens are intact. Then this will be CH3, CH2OH. Or it is also written as C2H5OH. We have learned this formula earlier. So naming part is the name. IUPAC, IUPAC name. In that what you have to do is alkane. E is there at the end. So replace E with OL. All. So this is, what is the name of this alkane? Methane. Methane. E was there. Substitute E with OL. So it will become methanol. Here alkane name is ethane. E substitute with OL, ethanol. Then with 3 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. Last one I will connect with H. So condensed formula CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. So name is propanol. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So draw the structure still 6.
Ma'am, what will be the molecular formula for this one?
C3H7OH.
Okay, ma'am.
Could you for a second go back up to the functional groups?
What?
Could you just scroll up to the functional groups for a second?
This much?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, the OH can be put anywhere, right?
Anywhere, yes, anywhere. So you have to mention the name of it. Position of it.
Ma'am, we should draw till how many?
6.
6, okay.
Hexanol.
Ma'am, should we write the molecular formula also for it?
Yeah, not molecular formula, that condensed formula I can write it.
Okay.
I'm done.
Ma'am, which one until hex, ma'am?
Hexanol.
Okay, ma'am.
Now here where you are giving the OH group. OH group where you are placing. Now it is methanol, this one for propanol. If you are placing it to the 1 carbon atom. So according to that, the naming will also change. Propan, it is 1 all because it is connected to the first carbon atom. If you connect it to the second carbon atom, then it will become, here if I will connect, propan 2 all because it is connected to the second carbon atom.
Ma'am, for this also from the right end or the left end, the
Yes,
closer.
wherever it is closer.
Okay.
OH group, wherever it is closer, there you have to start with. So till 6, check out where you have written.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, for the sixth one, I connected this thing OH in the second carbon on the top.
So hexane 2 all.
Ma'am, so what will be the condensed formula? CH3 then C?
CH3 CHOH. CH dash OH.
Okay, ma'am.
CHOH dash. You can write.
Ma'am, I've connected the OH at the last for every
And yeah,
case.
CH2OH you can write. So it is hexane 2 all, 1 all you will get.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या हुआ? हाँ? क्या चीज के लिए कर रहे थे ये? Okay. This is alcohol. Okay, fine. Then next we have to learn with aldehydes.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
now it will be hexanol, right? It's an ANO, right?
Hexane E substitute with OL. Now if it is 1, then 1 OL.
Oh,
If it is
okay.
you have connected to the hexane HE, 2 OL. Or it can be 3 also possible.
Okay, ma'am.
4 is also possible. No, 4 is not possible.
Out of these, which one do the humans consume?
Humans consume.
Like
It's ethanol.
We consume
Only ethanol. All others are poisonous. Only ethanol is consumable. Methanol 5 ml also the person will die. Liver gone. 5 ml of methanol completely coagulates the human liver. So liver is completely gone.
Ma'am, your voice got cut off fully.
Yeah.
Okay. 5 ml of methanol is enough to remove liver from the body.
ML.
Huh?
ML.
Human liver.
Oh my God.
Ethanol is only used to consumable.
Now, what is ethanol?
What is ethanol? Ethanol is prepared, is a compound prepared by the decomposition of molasses, sugarcane molasses.
Now, what is it like used for in everyday? Is it used in everyday purposes?
It is used many places. One thing is in all the this one drinks,
Oh,
but it is not the only one. Yes, we are using it. All you are using sanitizers. What is present in that? Which alcohol is present in that? Ethanol is present.
oh, okay.
And
ma'am.
all the this one hand washes or hand wash is not there. That is a liquid soap is present in that. Soap is also prepared from the alcohols. Some soaps. Then all these sanitizers have alcohol. That is ethanol only. It is present everywhere. Then the spirit lamp in chemistry lab, we are burning the spirit lamp to heat anything. So that spirit lamp is 100% pure ethanol. Even before injections, one liquid is rubbed over that area.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
yes.
that is for sterilizing purpose. So that is any microorganisms are there, those will be killed. So that is also ethanol. That is spirit. We call it a spirit is a 100% ethanol.
So mostly only ethanol are used
Ethanol
for
is used. Many places
all the
ethanol
purposes.
is directly used. For surgical instruments, before surgeries, it is sterilized. So for sterilization, ethanol is used because it has a property of killing germs. So ethanol is used for that purpose. Again, ethanol is used as a good fuel also. Some places in along with the petrol, they mix ethanol
Why ethanol?
because ethanol has a high combustion rate. So it produces large amount of heat energy when burns and
Ma'am,
leaves very less residue.
what property of ethanol kills the bacteria?
In that medium, the bacteria cannot survive. Bacteria cannot respire. Now we are in the carbon monoxide. Can we survive?
No.
No, the same thing. If
Okay.
leave carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. Large amount of carbon dioxide is present in the one room and you are staying in that. Is it possible to survive?
No, ma'am.
No, the same thing happened for the kills. Kills are there if it is present in the ethanol. They are not getting oxygen and carbon dioxide availability will not be there, so they will die.
Okay, ma'am.
So ethanol is used many places. Ethanol has more commercial applications than consumption. Only consumption thing is not only useful. Ethanol is much more useful in all industries. It is used as a solvent. It is used as for sterilizing purpose. It is used as a fuel. It is used in the chemistry lab. Why we use ethanol? Why not we use petrol and this kerosene there? We don't use kerosene. We don't use petrol. We don't use diesel. Candle also we don't use. Why? We use the ethanol, the spirit lamp in chemistry labs. There is a small lamps are there. Spirit lamps are there. All of them are made up of ethanol because ethanol burns clean flame, produces complete combustion takes place and large amount of heat energy is produced. By small amount of ethanol, if you produce this will burn, large amount of heat is produced. But in large scale, it cannot be used. Otherwise, we would have substituted LPG with that because it's costlier than LPG also. Even the cup syrups, many of the medicines, some part of alcohol is mixed in that. Mostly in cup syrups.
Why does it make us dizzy like when we consume them?
It works on the nervous system. This slows down the process of nervous system. It acts on nervous system. The person become unconscious for some time. When any person is consuming lot of this alcohol, then he will completely out of consciousness. He lose consciousness. That is because it is working on the nervous system. So nerves get numb. They act on the nervous system. So nervous system are not working properly. So brain will start will not work properly because the brain is not getting the sufficient information to work. Okay. Then aldehyde. Aldehyde functional group is CHO. Now here, what is the difference between OH and COH now? Here in alcohol, the OH group is connected by one carbon, then here it is O and then H. This means oxygen is one electron is shared with carbon and one electron is shared with hydrogen. But aldehydes, carbon the oxygen is connected to the carbon by double bond separately and the hydrogen is separately connected. Oxygen is connected with double bond separately to the carbon and hydrogen is shared one electron with the carbon directly. So here hydrogen and carbon, there is no direct connection, but here hydrogen is directly connected to the carbon. So this is the difference between alcohol and aldehydes. Before this carbon, you can connect for the first carbon atom. So already this is always present at the end. Always present at the end of chain. any one end, right end, left end, doesn't matter, but it is present on the end only, not in the middle. Anywhere in the middle, it is not present.
Ma'am, what is present at the end of chain?
The CHO group,
Okay.
functional group. So this is C double bond O, single bond H. Now before this, already this is a one carbon atom. So here, hydrogen is present. So this is the first compound. This can be written as HCHO. And the name is, for aldehyde, we are using suffix Al. So it is one carbon atom, methane. E is substituted with Al, methanol. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now two carbon atoms. It is started with the first carbon atom, we have connected like this. Now with second carbon atom, at the end we have to connect double bond O and single bond H. Now this valency is complete. All the electrons are shared, so no extra hydrogen is connected here. This carbon atom, only one electron is shared, so remaining 3 electrons are shared with hydrogen. So this is CH3CHO, and the name is ethane. E substitute with Al, ethanol. Then 3 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3. At the end, double bond O, single bond H. Here 2 hydrogens, here 3 hydrogens. Now it is, first is CH3, first is CH3, second carbon is H2, CH2, third carbon atom CHO. You cannot write COH. You can't write CHO, only you have to write. So it is propanol. To
Ma'am,
avoid
why can't we write
confusion,
like that?
for avoiding confusion.
Okay. Oh, we'll think it as alcohol.
Alcohol. So to avoid confusion, they have given the group name as CHO. So we have to write CHO. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here it is no 2, 3, 4 like that, structures are not there because we know that the CHO group is always present at the end. Therefore, no 2Al or 1Al is not there. Okay. So draw the structure of butanol, pentanol, hexanol, pentanol, butanol, pentanol, and hexanol structures draw. So start with aldehyde now.
Ma'am, done.
All remaining 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Last one.
Ma'am, until hexane, right? Hexanal.
Yeah, hexanal.
Yeah, done.
Next one is ketone. Ketone functional group is C double bond O, but this is always present between 2 carbon atoms. This carbon with double bonded O, this carbon atom is always present between 2 carbon atoms. So those 2 carbon atom compounds we call as R or R dash. So here R and R dash means there are carbon atoms are needed. This one you cannot connect. Hydrogen you cannot connect. Because if you connect hydrogen here, then it will become C double bond OH, that is a structure of aldehyde. Then it will not be a ketone. So here in this case, carbon should be connected with double bond. That carbon atom should be present between 2 carbon atoms, but not needed to be in the middle one exactly. It can be anywhere, but the number thing is this carbon and this carbon. This should not be at the end. So only thing, this functional group should not be at the end.
So we should start from prop.
Yeah, should not be at any end. So first compound, therefore, it starts with 3 carbon atoms. Here in this one is double bond O. Now this carbon atom, so all the bonding has been done. All electrons have been shared. So what is left out? This carbon atom, 3 hydrogens. And this carbon atom, 3 hydrogens. So condensed structure is CH3, CO, CH3. And the name is, or suffix used is ONE. Just a second. ONA. So it is, alkane name is propane. E substitute with ONE. Propanone. Its common name, you know this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
acetone, nail polish remover, or the paint thinner. 3, 4 carbon atoms. Either this or this, you can make a double bond. And remaining complete electron sharing with hydrogen. This carbon atom 3, this carbon atom 2, 4 done. So it is 3 shared with hydrogen.
It's pentanone.
Butanone,
Oh
4
yeah, it's
carbon
4. Okay,
atom.
right.
CH3, CH2, CO, CH3. Write the name now. Butanone.
And would it be but 3NN or no, but 2NN?
2 ONA. Butane 2 ONA. It is actually the same because if you connect here also, then also it is the same. So only one, butanone.
So there are no positions for this
No
one.
position, no need to write it here.
Okay.
Pentanone you have to show.
Ma'am, so there are only 4 for this. Last is hexanone, right?
You are drawing. There are actually practically not there. There are many more.
Like
Yeah,
right,
now
for us.
yes. 4 total 4 you have to draw.
Ma'am, done till hexanone.
Okay, good. Everyone completed?
Ma'am, I'm doing the last one.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
for third one, I connected it in the second one. So I should write pent 2 and then ONE, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Last one is one more is there. Carboxylic acid we will do. Carboxylic acid in this one COOH. So in that the binding is like C double bond O and single bond OH. So this is carboxylic acid, and it is also just like aldehyde. It is also connected at the end on this. At the end, present at the end. So first compound with one carbon atom. In that this double bond O and single bond OH is needed. So one electron left out, 1, 2, 3 done. So one electron left out, that is with hydrogen. So it's simple condensed formula. It's not working. It's not properly working. I need to restart. We will take it next class. So it is HCOOH, if you can write. And for suffix, we are using OIC acid. That is one carbon atom. So it is parent name is methane. E substitute with OIC acid. What's the name?
Methanoic acid.
Methanoic acid. Where you have learned this?
It's present in bee sting.
Bee sting and stings.
Bee sting and stings. Now with two carbon atoms. And it is connected with double bond O, single bond OH. This carbon atom, all electrons done. So now this first carbon atom, 3 hydrogens. So it is CH3COOH. This one is
Ethanoic acid.
ethanoic acid.
Ma'am,
Common name?
for this no condensed formula.
CH3COOH.
Okay.
Molecular formula you want to see. This is molecular formula.
Oh, okay.
I'm acetic acid, right? The non.
Acetic acid, yes. Common name.
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit up?
Yeah, it's not working properly today. Then you can draw the structures till hexanoic acid. And if you have completed this, you can leave
These two.
these two, and then remaining 4 you have to more draw.
Okay.
That is still hexanoic acid.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
for the third one, what is the condensed formula?
CH3CH2COOH.
Ma'am, we should put the bond also in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay.
CH3-CH2-COOH.
Propanoic acid, right?
Propanoic acid.
Okay.
Propanoic acid, butanoic acid, pentanoic acid, hexanoic acid. So tomorrow also you have school, right? In the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 9 to 10:30.
10:30. So 11 to 12:30 again maths. So alternate it will be there. Tomorrow maths and the day after tomorrow, that is on Friday, science.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, is there any
1.5
test?
hours. Test, no, this week.
Oh, and this is holiday, no? Oh, okay, ma'am.
Saturday holiday. But we can keep this one. Reproduction you have written already done. Metals and non-metals left out. No?
When, ma'am?
No,
Monday is good. Like how we did this week.
Yeah, same thing. I think so.
Evening.
No. Do one thing. Metals and non-metals, you have written the test.
Now I think we've written it.
Metals, non-metals, you have written already.
Ma'am, we have done already.
Yes, ma'am, we
Yeah,
wrote it
already
down.
done. Metals
we
and
are done.
non-metals done. So we
Yeah.
will take the objective of metals and non-metals only.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
On Monday, right?
Monday, yeah.
Okay.
And reproduction we have taken. Then next week, reproduction will be there. The subjective test of reproduction after on that weekend.
I mean, like Saturday.
Yeah, next Saturday. Not this Saturday, next Saturday. Reproduction subjective. Okay, so you can leave now.
Thank you, ma'am.